Tom Davies of Dartmoor Deer Services is well known for walking around with a thermal imager pressed to his face at all times. He used to use the Pulsar Accolade. Now he has moved up to the Pulsar Merger. Here's why.
So obviously the shape of binoculars, so it's a lot comfier to use, hold. You got the focus on your left here, which is a lot easier to use. It's got automatic standby mode, so you know down there it's off. As soon as I do that, you see the lenses, it comes on. So as soon as you put it to your eye, you're looking. And when you're stalking woodland like here, and if you quickly see something, you want to quickly check. It's perfect. You don't have that 2-second delay of pressing the standby button for it to come on and refresh sort of thing. It's already on. The rangefinder on this is incredible. So this is the thermal imaging end of the screen, and this is the rangefinder side. It's absolutely instant. Like this morning when I ranged the herd of fallow, it was say 1130 something meters, and it was just instant straight away. So that's great.
Could you work out which ones were prickets, which ones weren't?
That was just a quick glance. If we had stopped, not prickets, but I'd be able to tell you if there was a mature buck or sorrels or something like that, just going from neck size, body size, head size as well. So I would be able to see that. I can ID prickets up to 200 meters, no problem at all with this. You can even see their pedicles, top of their heads. It's super obvious it is a buck. Yeah, brilliant kit. You got 2 batteries. You got the external, which there's a button here. Just push that, pops up. That's the external one to charge, and it's also got an internal one which you can charge as well. So I think it's 10 to 12 hours of usage, something. I think 10 hours usage. Probably got that wrong, but something like that.
If you would like to buy a Pulsar Merger, visit kitfinder.co.uk.